festival celebration in Canberra City.
Wow, there's a moon festival event happening. I am going to have some fun.
Wait, brother. You can't celebrate Moon Festival without your loved one. I will be your honor today.
Jasper, we're almost there for the moon festival event. Cool, let's have fun. Now we're going to make lanterns. Oh, they got instant ones. Cool. What's next? We're going to make mooncakes.
That means the dark. And yes, so it's like 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yay, we made mooncakes. I really like the moon festival event. Yeah. Should we eat them? Yes. Yeah, let's eat. Tastes like mochi.
So have you had Peking duck before?
Oh wow. The duck is very nice, yeah.
Have a tasting ticket as well. Please come to the stage.
I'll give you a tasting ticket. Yeah. So this is Peking duck by Gerald Ong. He was. Yeah, a bit.
Hi. What's your name? Anthony. Anthony. So have you had Peking duck before this? Yes. And what do you think of this one? It's really good. What's your favorite thing about it? The duck? Yeah, I agree. What's your brother's name? What's your name? Jasper. Jasper, nice to meet you. Have you duck before?
If you like duck, you're rather stuck.
Yeah, with your brother?
Yes. Remember. Do you know why they celebrate Moon Festival? I have no idea. It's about a legend saying the general loves his wife so much, but his wife accidentally drinks a medicine to become a moon fairy, flying to the moon. He can only see her once a year from the brightest full moon, which is today. That's how we celebrate Moon Festival with loved ones. So romantic. Mom, I love you. Look at these lanterns, Jasper. Yeah. That's so cool. We should get something to eat while we're waiting for the full moon to come out.
Thank you so much.
Brother, where are you? The moon is coming very soon.
I am just in time to enjoy the full moon.
Jasper, can you see the moon fairy up there in the moon? No, I can only see the big white moon.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe us.